In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos in Substack posts. This is a fantastic way to enrich your newsletters with multimedia content, making your Substack posts more engaging and visually appealing. Many readers appreciate having diverse content to explore, and videos can provide a deeper connection with your audience. Let's dive right in and go through the steps of embedding videos into your Substack posts. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Substack homepage. If you aren't logged in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a series of options. Direct your attention towards the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it relatively easy to spot. Click on it to proceed to the next step of the process. Upon clicking Create, you'll be given a few different options for what you'd like to create, such as a post or a newsletter. For the purposes of embedding a video, you'll want to click on Post. This will open up a blank post draft where you can start crafting your content and setting the stage for your video. With the blank post draft open, look for the video icon in the post editor toolbar. This icon is typically represented by a small camera symbol. Clicking this icon will bring up options related to video integration, where you can either upload a file or record one directly. For today's demonstration, we'll focus on uploading an existing video. After clicking on the video icon, you'll see the option to upload. If you have a video ready, this is where you'll add it to your post. Make sure your video is compatible and in a format that's supported by Substack. Simply click Upload and select your video from your device. If you prefer, you also have the alternative to record directly through Substack, which can be useful for capturing spontaneous content or messages. Once you have selected your video file and it has finished uploading, you'll see a confirmation or thumbnail image indicating the video is ready. Before inserting it into your post, make sure to preview it to ensure everything looks good. When you're satisfied with the video selection, click Insert. This step places the video directly into your post, and you should see it appear within the draft on your screen. And that's how you embed a video in your Substack post. At this point, you can continue editing your post, adding text or additional elements as necessary. When you're ready, review your post to ensure everything looks just right, and then hit Publish to share your video enhanced content with your audience. I hope this guide makes your Substack posts more dynamic and captivating for your readers. Thanks for watching and happy posting.